Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Revolut Fractional Shares. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a stock, rather than the whole thing, making it more accessible to investors with limited funds. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once installed, sign up for a Revolut account and go through the verification process. After your account is verified, navigate to the investing section of the app. Next, you need to add money to your account. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account or by using a debit card. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to buy the shares you want. Now, search for the stock you want to buy. You can browse through the list of available stocks or search for a specific company. Once you find the stock you want, click on it to view its details. You will see the current price of the stock, as well as a graph showing its performance over time. To buy a fractional share, click on the Buy button and enter the amount you want to invest. You can invest as little as $1, making it easy to get started with investing. You will then see the number of shares you will get for your investment, which may be a fraction of a whole share. After you confirm your purchase, the shares will be added to your portfolio. You can view your portfolio at any time to see the value of your shares and any gains or losses. You can also sell your shares at any time, either to realize a profit or to cut your losses. Some key concepts to keep in mind when buying fractional shares include diversification, risk management, and long-term investing. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries to minimize risk. Risk management involves setting a budget and sticking to it, as well as being prepared for potential losses. Long-term investing involves holding onto your shares for an extended period, rather than trying to make quick profits. One practical example of the benefits of fractional shares is that they allow you to invest in companies that may be out of your price range if you had to buy whole shares. For instance, if a company's stock is trading at $1,000 per share, you may not be able to afford to buy a whole share. But with fractional shares, you can invest as little as $1 and still own a portion of the company. In conclusion, buying fractional shares on Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide and keeping key concepts in mind, you can start investing in the stock market and building a portfolio that works for you. Remember to always do your research, set a budget, and be prepared for potential risks and rewards.